to Shorewood, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Transit 60 miles per hour in quarter-side field. Source, radar indicated. Intact still damage to vehicle source, radar indicated. Intact still damage to vehicle is expected. Expect wind damage to Aurora, Joliet, and Naperville. Locations detected include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Wheaton, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen. PM. Severe thunderstorms were located. Expect wind damage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Frankfurt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Source, radar. Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Mokina, Franklin Park, Frankfurt, Hinsdale, and Lamont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.